are not going to believe this place. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? Holy freaking cow, we are here with another video. What is going on? In today's video, I am going to the best rated hotel in my city. I am so excited about this video because if you guys have been watching my last few videos, you guys know I've been going to the worst rated places in Los Angeles, and just going to the worst rated place really isn't that fun. So for me to go to the best rated hotel, I am so excited for it. Honestly, I'm not going to a place in Los Angeles. It's going to be in Africa, but not just Africa. We are going to Marrakech, Morocco. Just FYI though, I am going with the brand Peach and Lily. They invited me to Morocco, but they're not sponsoring today's video. I'm just giving them a quick shout out because I really love their products. I just love them in general. But a couple of weeks ago, I got an email from them where they were like, this is where we're staying, which is called the Amanina. And I looked up reviews for this place, and you guys, it has such amazing reviews. Holy cow, this place is just drop dead gorgeous. And so I figured today I would just do a video on it. I wanted to see if this place was worth the money. So I did look up how much it is to stay there a night, and it's 800 euros, which is like $1,000 a night. That is so much money. And if we get this video to 20,000 thumbs up, I will go to the worst rated hotel in Los Angeles. Like 1 stars, 0 stars, I will go there. I will put my life in danger with bed bugs and other stuff for you guys. On our way to Marrakech. Yay. It's way too early. It's like 5:30 a.m. I'm dead, but I'm so excited for this 5-star hotel. Matthew is with me. Shoes coming out. Cactus socks being put on. We are currently on flight 2 of 3. Another 12 hours to go. Yay.
20-hour travel day.
Yeah,
I get red too, but I'm not as red
babe,
as
I'm
you.
so red. You look so tan compared to me. I just look red. Legs need lotion. This flight is 7 hours long, so we're gonna be here for 7 hours and then go on another flight for another 2 hours.
What are you doing?
Trying to figure out what I should get for dinner. We made it! Oh my god. Hello. Thank you. Oh my goodness. That entrance is so cool, but I just tripped over it. Wow. These hallways are beautiful. Who is this? Tea service? Ah, thank you.
You're welcome.
What is it, mint tea?
Yes, the mint tea, yeah. Fresh mint tea. You want me to take it for you?
No, I'm okay. Yeah, thank you. Ooh.
What is this?
I don't know which one to grab. Hold on.
This one.
Which one's your favorite? Oh.
I can take this for you. That's
Oh, thank you.
Do you try your little donut? How good is it?
So good. Guys, I look like crap. I'm sorry. Wow, the service is great. We got mint tea the second we walked in. Can you hear the birds chirping?
I definitely will be back to that.
It's for makeup?
For food, for face as well, clay from the apartment. So this is
Oh wow, it smells so good. Look at these crazy doors. The pool.
the pool, but you have a privacy.
This is the kids pool. It's so fun and so pretty. That is so cool. How is this the kids pool? All right guys, a little update here. We just checked into our hotel room and holy freaking cow, you guys are not going to believe this place. First off, I just want to say I cannot believe this place is only $1,000 a night. I'm mind blown because $1,000 is a lot, but I've been to a hotel in Bora Bora that was $2,500 a night, and this completely blows that hotel out of the water. This place is insane. So we are gonna do a hotel room tour right now, and you guys are not ready for this. I'm shook. Matthew? Are you sleeping? Oh, you look so cute. Are you too tired to help me film?
No.
Are you sure? You look so peaceful. You walk in and you enter freaking paradise. This is crazy. We are gonna go inside the actual room first. So we slide these guys wide open. And this is the room. Wait. I can't believe this is where we get to sleep for the next 4 days. But if you turn around, this is kind of like the lounge area. There is a real fireplace and we get to call the people tonight and tell them to start a fire for us. And we have these like cool little like fire things that like do something to the fire so it like stays lit. There's this little chase lounge to look cute. Hello. And then we have a little office space where we need to get work done. There are really old tangerines. They're like very squishy. Also, this freaking hotel room smells amazing. Think of like spices in Morocco, and that's literally the scent it is. Like, can you explain the scent? What would it be?
I feel like it's very like woody.
Our little mini fridge. We got a mini fridge.
Good.
We got ourselves Coca-Cola, Red Bulls, and then we have the bathroom. Like, bathroom freaking goals. So this is my side. I literally have a side, like my side. I have 2 suitcases, 2 little suitcases. Also, they gave us these like house slippers and they're very comfortable. They're like Moroccan slippers, very traditional. So they have one for me, one for Matt. And then we have a little shower right here. Whoa, I actually haven't walked in this yet. Did you see this yet?
No.
Oh my God, it's so freaking cool. Bathtub. And we're gonna take some cute photos in here. Wait, can we take a bath together in here? It's so cool. And then this is the freaking toilet with the bidet, so you can wash your booty in here. And I washed it earlier and it felt very, very nice. And it was nice after like a 22-hour travel day to like wash my butt. It felt great. Did you wash your butt yet?
Mm-mm.
What? You have access to a butt washer and you don't use it? Also, Matthew's side. That is everything with the inside. Now I want to take you guys outside because outside is even more crazy than the inside, and I still don't understand how like I'm here. Like I don't deserve to be here. So this is the outside. We have this little thing. Oh my God, this entire backyard is ours. This is our backyard. What? Literally, no one else can go in this backyard except us. This is, you want to come around? This is kind of where everything is. Come around. Come around. So freaking cool. This is like a little like sunroof area, so we're covered by the sun. But we have a private pool. Oh my God, you guys. We have a private pool. They gave us little hats to wear for Matt and I. All right, and then we have legitimately a private freaking pool. Like, what do we do with this? I don't even know. It's so freaking cool. All right, I actually haven't stepped foot in the pool yet. I kind of want to and see how warm it is. Oh, it could be a tad bit warmer. I get cold very easily, but that feels really, really good. All right, so that is pretty much it with the hotel room tour. This is insane. If you guys want me to go to the worst hotel in Los Angeles when I get back home, let me know down below because I'm kind of down for it. I want to see like the difference between like a 5-star place in a different country and then like see what that compares to in another country. So we just ordered room service. I'll keep you guys updated, but for now, this is crazy. Our food came. I got myself chicken tahine. Oh, that's the beef. That's Matthew's. Whoa, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. What is this? Do you know what this is? We're on our way to get massages. Okay, so the food, amazing. I will say though, I actually like the couscous way more than like I liked any of the meat dishes.
Yeah, I agree.
The onion, I love onions. The caramelized onions on that was so good. Why are you laughing at me? I love onions.
We'll do anything for onions.
I will literally put onions on everything if I could. Everything except dessert.
That positivity and that peace.
You're so cute when you're dancing with her.
I look silly.
Hey guys, update here. It's been 2 full days since we've stayed inside this hotel. Let me tell you guys, I have yet to see an actual worker going inside of this hotel room. I don't understand because every time Matt and I leave somewhere, we literally come back and the place is perfect, immaculate, nothing is out of place. So we're gonna do a test. So Matt and I actually have massages in about an hour. So before we leave to our massages, we're gonna make this place a little messy. Right now it's very, very clean. We're gonna make it messy. We're gonna be gone for maybe an hour and 20 minutes. And I wanna see during that hour and a half if someone comes and actually cleans up our place, because I kid you not, you guys, they are tracking us. They know when we leave, they know when we're coming back. They are like little ninjas where if we're leaving this place, they come in, and when we come back, they know we're on our way back, so they like get out.
They have like walkie-talkies, I think. They just radio to each other.
And not only that, they actually don't have any bills. So if we're like ordering room service or like at a restaurant or at the massages in this hotel room, they actually don't give us a bill and they don't ask for our room numbers. But what they do is they track us. They know we are in room 32. Like every worker in this entire space knows we're in room 32. Like we will be like, hey, we lost our key. They're like, okay, here's a new key. Literally room 32 key. Literally, they are on top of their stuff. Matt and I are gonna make a mess of this beautiful bed. Not like super messy, like, so they're like, what the fudge? But like messy enough where it looks like we were sleeping in it. Okay. Oh, okay, I feel bad about these oranges. We have these oranges. Oh, let's put these oranges in most random spots. We should put an orange underneath the bed and see if they see it. So we have a bunch of clothes that we were wearing earlier. Okay.
Like small things, like
really
water.
Oh yeah, like drink the water. They put their waters in here, and every time one is like empty or like not fully full, they put another one in. No, you gotta close it so it looks like there's one in there already, and then take that water bottle somewhere else, see if they'll check. Did they fold my clothes? They folded my clothes. So we are gonna unfold these clothes. We're opening the cap to this guy, see if they'll close it, and opening this cap. They have a lot of work to do in an hour and a half. Not gonna lie though, I'm gonna be so shook if they actually clean it within the hour we're gone. And they're probably assuming we were only in this room for 40 minutes, like how messy can it actually get? Yeah. Last thing we're doing, we're messing up this little pyramid they have. It's currently 7:10 p.m. We're probably gonna get back in, hi! We're getting back in like an hour. Let's see if they clean. The cleaners are right there. They're saying hi to us. All right, here's the test. All right guys, it is currently 8:07 p.m. Moment of truth. Did they clean our room? And they did. And put candles on. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Put candles on?
They folded all the clothes that was on the bed. They hung up all the jean jackets. They put the oranges back in the bag. Did they get, oh, they got the oranges that were underneath the bed.
Did you restack the oranges?
No, I did unstack the oranges. They didn't really restack them cutely, but they like still stacked them. Do you think they got the water?
Oh, if they put one back?
Yeah, let's see if they put a water in there. Hold on. Oh, guys, so freaking shook. They are so good here. Let's see, what else did I do? Guys, they folded my clothes. What? I feel like I have a mom that I don't know about, like just doing stuff for me. And they, guess what guys? They also closed the lid of this, closed the lid of that. I don't really know what else I did. I didn't really do anything else. Oh, they folded all the napkins that were here. Oh, also when you go to bed, every single night they leave you like a little present in your bed. So the first night they gave us perfume. The second night they gave us cedar wood. Tonight's the third night. Let's see what they gave us. This is our present for today, and I don't know what it is. How do I play it? All right, so that is the updates for the night. Guys, I just got back from my trip to Morocco, and I just wanted to do a breakdown / review of my final thoughts about going to the Amanina. Holy cow, you guys, as you guys can tell by all this footage that I have the best time in Morocco. This place is not a 5-star review. It's like a 10 freaking star review. I can't believe this place is $1,000. Like, one, that is a lot of money, but the amount of service and what you get for what you pay for is just incredible. And I just want to say the customer service at the Amanina is like, it is the best place I've ever stayed my little butt on. The city of Marrakech is just beautiful. Definitely gotta watch out for pickpocketers, but that's pretty much any place you go to. So I 1000% recommend this place. Another reviewer said, all of the staff know your name and you are never asked to sign a receipt as they know your name and room number, which added to the experience. This is something I noticed, and actually Alicia pointed out. Alicia is the owner of Peach and Lily. She was like, did you guys notice that you guys never get receipts? And apparently at the Amanina, everyone recognizes you. They know your names. It's like they took a photo of your face and made all of the staff remember, like TiffanyMa, room 32. The most random workers would be like, hi Tiffany, hope you're having a nice day. We had a fireplace in our hotel room, and every single night we called the front desk to have someone start a fire.
That is a huge fire. Oh my god, it's so big.
Is that normal to like have a fireplace that you can actually start a fire in inside of your hotel room? Because I'm shook by it, like actually shook by it. I do remember that I actually wrote a bunch of notes so I wouldn't forget anything, and so I wanted to like go through some notes. First off, getting to the Amanina is a struggle, especially if you live in California like I do. It took me 22 freaking hours. So when we finally got to the Amanina, I was expecting a beautiful grand entrance because of all the photos that I've seen of the Amanina. But when you actually arrive there, you're kind of underwhelmed in a way, and that is because like they kind of hide everything behind gates and like doors and stuff. And so when I was actually talking to a tour guide in Marrakech, he was explaining that in Morocco as a whole, everyone kind of keeps the outside of their place very plain so that everyone kind of looks the same, so you're not pulling attention to yourself. And that's just a way of being respectful to your neighbors and to like the outside surrounding culture and community. A lot of places can look really run down from the outside, but once you walk in, it's literally a palace. And let me tell you guys, walking into this place, I was like, whoa, I felt like I was like walking into like a different world. Also, the resort had fish in their pond, and all of these fish are really smart. Like, you know that saying that fish only have 10-second memories? I think that's a lie.
Fish!
They're following us because they hope they'll get fed.
Also, another thing that I forgot to film was that when you left the Amanina, they actually gave you presents. So they gave us 2 candles inside of this beautiful like silver box, and they gave us a bottle of olive oil as well from their actual like olive oil farm. Also, when we were leaving, everyone like stood outside, like the entire staff, and like waved at us, and it was like super awkward because they were like smiling and waving for like 2 whole minutes like this.
By far the best.
But it was like really, really cute. It was like very thoughtful of them. And huge freaking thank you to Peach and Lily for like taking me and Nat there. Like, it was so nice of them. I had the best time there. So yeah, that is it with today's video. If you guys want to see me go to another 5-star rated place or another place that is 1-star rated, which honestly not that fun, but like totally entertaining for you guys, let me know if I should do any more of those types of videos. And if you guys made it to the end of this video, holy freaking cow, I am so freaking proud of you guys. And if you guys did, I want you guys to comment, there's bird poop in your hair. Also, just letting you guys know that my store, Live and Jess, is having a 50% off sale. Literally everything in the entire store is 50% off. So yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.